another haul for you guys. I was able to go to Tuesday morning again because I worked at an office where there is a Tuesday morning this week. So I didn't find too much stuff initially, and then I went back the next day. Not the next day, like a couple of days later. So first of all, I did find one noteworthy Bow Bunny, and this is the By the Sea noteworthy. Oops, I'm sorry. Am I in frame? Yes. And it's really cute, actually. And I got this actually for a friend who was looking for some sea-themed, I guess, embellishments, or, you know, these noteworthies or the stickers. I didn't find the stickers, but I did find one of these, and unfortunately it is open though, so I'm still, I don't know, I'm trying to see if I can find another one, and maybe I'll keep this one and give her another one. I did look inside just to see if all the pieces were there, and I'm just missing a couple of pieces, but nothing like major. I think I was missing one of these flags, this one right here, and then one of these waves. I think everything else is there pretty much, like all the important pieces, the mermaids and, you know, the little fish and seashells and stuff. So it's really cute. Yeah, but unfortunately, yeah, it was like completely open on the side. But everything's, you know, in good condition. So yeah, I did find one of those. And then I was looking at their fabrics because they did have some new things that I had not seen. And this one caught my eye. It's a jelly roll. And I've always wondered about these jelly rolls, you know. It was $19.99, which is, you know, kind of, you know, pricey, I guess, for me. But there is a lot in there. And then there was another crafter that was there, and I guess she quilts. She was looking at it too, and there's only 2 rolls. And so I think she picked one up, and I said, you know, what do you use these for exactly? And she's like, well, they're for quilters. I mean, it does say that on there. And she said that is a great price, because originally, look, it would be actually $40 for this. So she did say it's a good price. So I figured, okay, let me get it. The reason I wanted to get it was to make some fabric flowers, because they're already cut down for you, which is kind of nice. And you get this variety. Oh my gosh. So they had like other things, you know, the little, what do you call them? The little squares. And I saw like this pattern right here. It's green, and it has like this, it's not a flower. It's more like a little doily. And then, yeah, so I can't wait to open this. And then there's a pink one too. But I just love all the colors. I mean, look, it's so springy. And yeah, so I did pick it up. Since I didn't find too much stuff there, I decided, okay, it's 20 bucks, but I'm going to get it. And I was like picking up other things, but you know, it's not like there were just, sometimes I just want to get them because like, oh, it's 99 cents, or, you know, it's only $1.99, and it's cute, but it's not like anything that I really need for a certain project or anything. I ended up putting it back, and then I looked at the bead section, and I was like, oh, I want these. Okay, so first of all, these caught my eye, and they are Jesse James beads. They're $3.99. You guys know these get expensive, like at Joann's, but you know, usually you can find them on sale somewhere. But this is a coral orange mix. I want to make some bracelets, you guys, and I think I really like this coral color. You know, I do have, I think, some coral jewelry. So anyway, I just liked the mix, and so I decided to get it. And then I found a brown one here, which I could either make for myself or maybe gift to my sister, because, you know, she wears some jewelry too, but I want to try to make bracelets. So we'll see, because there's so many like different pieces in there, and I don't know. I haven't done any beading in a while, and anyway, I found some tassels, and I was like, did these kind of go with this? Maybe you can attach it on the, you know, like a charm. But they're super cute, and there's different sizes. There's these really teeny tiny ones. So these were $2.99. And then, so this one's the brown mix, I think, right? Yeah. And then this one is really, the last two, these two are what I really, really wanted. Look at this pretty blue, you guys. You know, it's just fun for the summertime. I like, you know, I like to wear like blue and nautical themed jewelry or charms, you know, to put on my purse. So I don't know. We'll see what I do with this one. I just thought they were really pretty. I mean, that's a good price, right? $3.99. I mean, I think it'll make a whole bracelet. My wrists are pretty small. But this is the one I really love. Look, there's that little glass ball charm that has the beads. Even my daughter liked it. She's like, oh, there's little balls in there. I just thought it was such a cute mix. And Mimi had gifted me some of these. Hey, girl. Which I'm hoarding. But look, I found another one. So I'll experiment with this one and see how that goes. So yeah, that's what I ended up getting. And then I went back because when I had gone, I went back because when I went initially, they didn't have their stuff out. Like, they had it in the boxes. I was waiting. I had to pick up my kids. So they were still unboxing stuff, and they were doing like the household stuff first. So I was like, oh. So I went back there 2 days later, and they did have some paper. I was asking them if they had another one of these, but no, they didn't. But I did find some cute paper. And they had some stamps, and I think I got a couple of dies. So first of all, I found these. I do have a few of these Graphic 45 Hampton Art stamps from past collections, and I just thought these were really cute. This, I believe, is from the Masquerade, as you can see there. It was $3.99. So really cute. Midnight Masquerade, that's what it's called. And for $3.99, you know, I just decided I'm going to pick it up because these are usually, you know, a little pricier online. And then I just love that cute little fairy there. I'm not sure from which collection this one is. But I just love the sentiments on there. And again, $3.99. So there's the SKU. In case you guys are looking for this in particular, here's the SKU for the Masquerade one. Okay, so I got those. I think those were the only two stamps that, I mean, I didn't have much time to shop, you guys. I really didn't. So I just grabbed and grabbed, which is like the worst time to shop when you don't have that much time. This is the only die, but they had a bunch of other dies there. But I thought, oh, I really don't need that much dies. I just thought these were so cute. They're little rosette blooms. And it makes that flower right there. So I had never seen these before. And so it's a pretty good size rosette. So I thought, huh, let me see if I, you know, if I can make some and see how that looks. Oh, and I want to try these with the crepe paper. I don't know if this is going to be kind of big. It might work. But I've seen Tara make like rosettes with crepe paper, and I think she said the other Tara Finch, makes like she sews it. I don't know if I'll sew it, but then after I think she makes her rosette, she runs a dye over it so that you can get the scalloped edges. Can't remember if Tara has a tutorial, but I will link her you guys know Nurse Tara, because she made some really pretty ones, and I thought, oh, I gotta try that. Plus it makes this really pretty rosette there, so I thought, I'm gonna try that, and it was only $3.99, so I did grab that. Oh no, I did grab another one. I couldn't pass this one up. It's a Jen Hatfield dye, and what is this called? But I thought it was super cute. I have something I think similar to this, but there's a SKU if you're interested. And it says 10 pieces in there, so it says hello. I just thought that was really cute, hello, and it has a little heart. And then these heart pieces, but it's this huge Polaroid, which I thought it was really cute. So I'm going to see if I can play with this. Oh, and that's what it makes right there. Just really cute. So this is like a real full-size Polaroid. So I do have one, and I have like the small ones, the ones for the Instax, I guess. Wait, what is that called, you guys? I don't even have one of those cameras. But yeah, I thought I'd pick that up, you know. That's a great deal. Okay, so now for the papers. I did find a couple of papers for Sophia and Mimi, because I already have this one, so I'm going to share. I only found two, and it's the carousel, and it's so pretty, and as much as I want to keep it, you know, I can't be greedy. So I got these for my friends because they like it as well. So I did find two. So yay! I went there on a good time because they had just stocked. But you have to go through the stuff, you guys. It's like, I found Summer Days. I don't know. I don't think I picked up the big one. But I thought I would just grab it. I think I have another summer paper, but I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's this one in particular, but I just thought this was really fun, and it's double-sided with ice cream and things. I know I really don't need any more paper, but it's so cute. So that's by Echo Park. And here's the SKU, Summer Days pad. And then I did find my Bo Bunny. And let's see. The Felicity collection. I found two of these. I grabbed them. I can't remember now. I think Tara's sending me this one. Maybe? Oh gosh. I've like kind of lost track, but I know I'm going to need another one. So I did pick it up. I mean, I saw it, and it's really pretty. And I have the... What do I have? I have the sticker. And I believe I did find a Noteworthy. So I was super happy and found the paper. So I had to grab it. I had to grab it because I couldn't remember if this is the one that Tara was sending me. I can't remember, but oh, it's two. I had to grab it. So... And then I found this pretty paper. Oh my gosh. And it's just so pretty. I couldn't put it back. And it's only $2.99, you guys. So this is from the Serendipity. This is another collection that I want. And there's a SKU. This one's called Back to Backs. Okay, wait. Back to Backs. Is that what it's called? But it's this pretty floral with, oh, I thought there were insects there. No, it's just all floral. And then this is the other side. Isn't it pretty? And I have that one, did I find a Serendipity? I think I found one Serendipity one. I gotta look now through my stash. But look at the birds. How pretty is that one? Oh my gosh, I had to grab it. And then I saw somebody haul this. I think it was Liz. Hey Liz. I think she hauled this. She said she found an embellishment, and then recently she found the paper. And I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute, because it has like these really cute cut-aparts, and it has macaroons and teacups. Oh my gosh, how can I pass up teacups? So let's just go through this one. And oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. It just has a bunch of different colors. And look, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, there were like other papers there that I wanted to go through, but I just did not have the time or the money, because, you know, I'm, see how pretty? Yeah, my hubby said, no more shopping, your birthday's over. He finally said it, so I'm like, oh man, no more shopping for me. And his birthday's coming up, so okay. Look how pretty. See, I couldn't pass up this cut apart. Look at the bear inside a teacup. I mean, seriously? No way was I going to leave this there. It's too cute. I really wish they gave you more die cuts though, like so you can share with other people. I mean, it's plenty for me, but you know what I mean. But yeah. This one, they don't come, they only give you a couple sheets of the die cuts. So. But it's so pretty. And this is Pebbles. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, Tea Lightful. What's it say in the back? And look at the cards that they've made with it. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to have to find that darn die cut. I think that's it for Tuesday morning, you guys. And I really need to just stay away from there. Stay away. But I do have another haul from Michael's, because I had to go there for something. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys like my haul, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.